Yes. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Yeah, we have listened.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Audible, sir.
Welcome. So this is RANE team, RANE Madras Pondicherry team.
Yes, sir. RANE Madras Pondicherry, sir.
Excellent, Raja. You have done a very good coordination. I appreciate. Okay.
Okay.
So today's industry
Here,
needs
along with
more and more people like you.
my colleagues, Sadish and
Yeah. Welcome. Welcome.
Samina from joined, sir. Into it, sir.
So we are in the process of advanced SPSC, learning advanced SPSC very
Recording in progress.
practically. And last time from your Chennai, Velachery head office, they helped. This time from RANE Madras, Pondicherry, you are helping many. Raja, I'm sure the screen is audibility, visibility. Raja, the screen visible? Hello?
Visible, sir. Visible.
So you have ball pin machining, right? That is the process you have taken, component you have taken, process you have taken. N is, what is your N, Raja? Raja, what was your N? Number of samples?
Here,
Six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, M is 21. Okay. Like
M equal to 20.
20.
Yes.
Okay. You have done a very nice analysis. Okay. So this is data from the machine called Jobber BTBM. Okay. Raja, what is your total tolerance?
Total tolerance here we have here that
20.150. 20.
20.15 to 180. So tolerance is totally 30 to 20.180. The tolerance is totally 30 microns.
Super. Excellent. Okay. Raja, for all SPC purpose, what should be your M minimum?
Minimum is 21, sir.
21. Okay. That is the rule for all SPC. Okay. Then you have beautifully, arranged all the data, converted into X bar range, then control limits also. Okay, like D3 or bar, D4 or bar, then X double bar, upper control limit for X bar, lower control limit for X bar. That is all very good. Okay. Now, for a change, I am taking another set of data from your head office. Okay. See here. Very important, Raja. Please see how Anand from head office has done. Okay. This is also, nicely done by, Anand. Okay. So, M 1920. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Why it is striken off? Yes, crossed, striken off. Why? Any idea?
No.
The simple idea is homogenization. Clear? Whichever homogenization. Okay, I rather write it here for the benefit of all. Okay, before going for a proper control chart, we must homogenize. Okay, that's what we learned. You remember when we met last month? Okay, in your Reed Institute. 2 data points are exceeding. He has crossed, marked with the red also. This is a very good sign. Any doubts here, Raja Aunty, Pondicherry? That means there were some special cause variations in these two set of data, M19 and M20. Clear? Any doubts? Right. I am taking another set of data done by Sarvana Kumar. Okay, please see how beautifully he has converted into a manual graph. UCL, LCL. The part is different. Housing, some specification, that everything is different. Please see here.
Yes, sir.
The best part is Pondicherry team has done everything manually so that the skill sets will be very practically developed. Okay, it will be forever. I have done my analysis. Please see here. First, I wanted to ensure I have gone for not exactly probability, rather, first it should be for the normality. Okay, through a histogram. Are you able to see the histogram here?
Yes, sir.
Time being,
So here, this size and
sorry,
some
time
state
being,
and location are
yeah, time being, just forget about, CP, CPK, PPK, everything. Okay. Raja, please tell whether shape is okay.
yes, sir. Case, size and dimensions all are okay. The location all are okay.
Okay, because we are getting a bell curve. Size is okay.
Yes. Yes, sir. The total brand it's a minimum only outlet use, so size also
Yeah,
okay.
LSL, USL falling well between. Okay. Okay. Less by size. Location is okay. Slightly descended.
It is okay, sir.
Okay. Slide descended. Clear? Okay, so you should analyze first. That means precision is
Yes, sir.
okay. Please see here. Precision is okay. Accuracy is also fairly okay. Any doubts here?
Mhm.
Once you are okay with the shape, you are eligible to go for PPPPK calculation. That I will explain later. Now, please see how beautifully they have attempted, using the mini tab. Please see the rules. Oh, lot of rules here. What are the rules? Please see here. I am projecting a different file now.
Sir,
Raja, can you read the first rule? What is the first rule?
yes, sir. The first rule is three standard deviation from the center.
Okay.
In case we only find more than three standard deviation means it's a non-random pattern.
Fine. Now, please come back here. I am explaining one or two. Okay. This is good or not good? Absolutely.
Yes,
Rule number one is okay. Clear or not clear?
please understand.
What is rule number two, Raja?
9 consecutive points on the same side of the center.
Please see here. This is called
Nine
run.
consecutive.
This is called run or UN, run. Okay. Now compare with your RANE data. Rule number two satisfactory? Yes. Clear? So one and two are good. I just mark with the color. Third rule. What is the third rule, Raja?
3 points in a row are increasing or decreasing.
Please here. This is called trend. This is called trend. Okay. Now I am just comparing with this data. No trend here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, you could see only one side, but it can call that as a run, not a trend. So by and large, rule 3 is also satisfactory. So far, okay? What is rule 4, Raja?
14 points. Upgrading up and down.
Ah, this is also a non-random pattern. Special cause, simply. Okay. Now, rule 4 is also satisfactory. Clear or not clear? What is rule number 5, Raja?
2 out of 3 points more than two standard deviation from the center.
Should not cross even two standard deviation. Okay. not 3 standard deviation. Okay, 3 standard deviation. So here, rule number 5 is also satisfactory. So far, okay? What is rule number 6, Raja?
4 out of 5 points. More than one standard deviation.
Ah, it should not cause even 1 standard deviation more than 4. Okay. Here, this is also satisfactory. I mark with the color. What is the 7th rule, Raja?
2 points in a row within one standard deviation of the central line.
Please see here. So I am comparing with your RANE data. This is also satisfactory. By and large, good. Okay, no special cause. What is the 8th rule now?
Consecutive points, more than one standard deviation from the central line.
We could see here. Okay, this is the 8th rule. So if we go by the 8th rule, also everything is satisfactory here. So no special cause here also. This is how a control chart to be analyzed. Okay, I am pasting everything here, all in one reference, which is available in your Google Drive. You can also refresh.
I have one doubt in rule number 3 in our expression.
Okay.
That
What is rule number 3? What is rule number 3?
Yeah, 6 points in a row, all increasing or decreasing.
This is called trend. As I said, this is called trend. Okay. That means the next point is likely to go out. So you should take action. See,
here, in the graph, 11, serial number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7, and more than 7 points in increasing. Oh, sorry, sir. Okay, one minute, sir. Okay.
You should compare from the X double bar. Please see, this is the X double bar line.
Okay, sir. Understand.
Then it is okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
I will explain differently, don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
So many things we learned. Now we move on to the crux of our learning. Only after homogenization, you should go for a control chart. Data, one side called variable, data, other side called attribute.
Okay.
Measured, continuous data, counted, jumping data, or discrete data.
Okay.
Clear?
Understood, sir.
There are many charts available. Now, so as such, we have discussed only about, X bar off.
Okay.
We are going to practice every chart.
Okay, sir.
But here important is control limits, not spec limit. That is called goal post principle.
Okay.
What's the goal post principle? Take a typical football. Raja aunty, can I answer? If the ball goes here, is it considered as a goal?
Yes, sir.
If the ball goes here, is it considered as a goal?
The whole.
If the ball goes here, is it considered as a goal?
Will be the whole.
If the ball touches here and then goes inside, is it considered as a goal?
Sometimes possible, but sometimes not possible.
But if it goes inside, it is goal. Okay.
Yes,
so this post is USL, LSL. But you cannot operate in this way in a manufacturing process.
Okay.
Okay. Here in football, we consider everything as the grid zone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whereas here, you should reduce. How to reduce? Using control chart, control limit calculations. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Theoretically, Raja aunty, people may say reduce 50%, reduce 40%. No, that is not good. Go as per the control chart calculations. That's what I was showing you where here. Okay. Please see, you have done all the calculations.
Okay.
All I mean to say, do not artificially reduce. Decide your operating range based on plus 3 standard deviation minus 3 standard deviation. Clear or not clear?
Okay.
This is called plus minus 3 sigma range.
Okay, sir.
So, rejections you want to avoid or minimize to the greater extent. Your tolerance limits may not help. Go for a control shot only through the calculations. I write here calculations plus homogenization.
Okay.
Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
How? How much to reduce? How to keep it center? Some advantages.
Okay.
If you go by the method, whatever I am teaching you, you can take the actions on the process properly. Rajan team, can you answer? When to take action, sir?
Okay. The non-random patterns are followed in
Excellent. Super. Only when non-random patterns are appearing. Otherwise, do not take action. Thereby, you can save a lot of cost, money. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Here, from football, now we are migrating to cricket. Okay, it's called process tampering. Ball, they used to, sometimes, wrong practice. They will tamper. Tamper means spoil. Spoil. What is called process tampering? This is called process tampering. Only chance causes are present. The operator tries to remove. It is a very bad practice. It is also called as over adjustment, or in TPM they call as tinkering. Clear or not clear? If the 8 rules are okay, do not take action. Action. I just want to conclude here. Understandable? Understandable? Any doubts? Now, an X bar or a typical TVS model I am showing you. Okay, so your team has done a commendably good job, great job. Right. Data. Rajan, can you answer, sir? I have prepared 12 statements. What is your response for the first one?
Input has helped to identify variation in the entire process. Right, sir.
Right.
Right.
Second statement?
To achieve the capability all the items, one must draw control chart. Correct, sir.
Wrong. Only when your process is stable and capable, go for control charts. Clear or not clear? Only when your process is stable and capable, go for control chart. Then control charts will definitely help.
Okay.
This is where many companies, are wrongly making practices. Go for a control chart. Perfect. No. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Third one.
To look into the root cause of a problem, control chart may be deployed.
Right or wrong?
Right. Root cause.
Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Control chart will tell where we are going wrong. That's all. Control chart will never tell why we are going wrong. Clear or not clear?
Please, sir.
Fourth one, what is your response?
In process, to ensure capability, then stability to be focused. So,
First, we must ensure capability or stability.
which it ensures the capability.
First stability, then capability. We learned yes, yes, yes. Remember, shape, size,
Okay.
Can always shape first, ideally a bell curve. Clear?
Okay. Hmm.
5, what is your response?
Control chart will help us to decide when to adjust the process and when to leave it. Right, sir.
Absolutely right, sir. Good, very good. Sixth one?
Control chart will be 100% proactive. Yes, sir. True.
Need not be. Sometimes, if we are sample sizes and the gap between one sampling and another sampling is bad, probably may likely get rejections. Clear?
Inquiry is here. Already we know the control limit for the product. That kind of case, we already know where's the limit going to cross. So it is proactive only, sir.
I'll explain. This is called rational subgrouping. I'll explain a little bit, don't worry.
Okay.
Rational subgrouping is not properly done means, sorry, the control trust may not help you.
Okay.
Seventh one, what is the response?
Also, the special cost variation will have a stability in it.
Right or wrong? Absolutely wrong. Eh? Special counts means you cannot get a bell curve. Simple. Eighth one?
Homogenization to be done before plotting the control chart. True, sir.
Very much true. Ninth one?
When expert chart is having a special cost, our chart will also have a special cost variation in it. True, sir. Right.
Need not be. I'll explain this. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Tenth one?
For a sample size n number of 2, we shall plot x bar r chart. No, sir. Minimum is 3.
Excellent. So n should be 3 to 6 for all X bar or chart application. 11th one? Good, good, good. You answered so nicely, so confidently. 11th one?
The R chart which has a point outside the control limit indicates widespread pattern. Yes, sir. Correct. True.
Super.
Very
Yes, exactly. 10th one?
control chart in which all the points within the limit indicate no special cost variation in it. It's also wrong.
Super.
Yes, sir. Now,
Because we have learned, 8 rules.
yes, sir.
Super. Very good, very good, very good. Good. This is called the rational subgrouping by Dr. Short. He talked about this in 1920s itself. Okay. In Bell Laboratory, America. 1, 2, 3. Always first question is, what should be my n? Keyword suggestion. N can be 4. General practice, 5. Raja, you have chosen for your control chart 4 or 5 or 6. Sorry?
One thing.
No, in your control chart, what was your n? I think you have gone for 5, if I remember well. Third one, big size spots. You cannot go for that easily. Okay. Special causes appearing quite often means 5 or 6. I am talking only about small n. No, sir, my n is 3 to 6. My management has said, my customer has said. Raja, can you answer? My n is 2. My customer wants me to follow n as 2. Which control chart I must follow? Sorry?
Moving range chart.
Perfect. X MR chart. Moving range. Perfect. Very good, very good.
Okay.
My customer wants me to follow n as 7 to 15. X bar, S chart. S is sigma. Any doubts here, Raja aunty? Pondicherry?
Okay, sir.
Good. Please see here. You are getting consistent results like this. 24, 24, 24, 24. You study the process and select whether your n should be 2 or n can be 3 to 6 or n can even be 7 to 15.
Okay.
Again, this depends on the consistency. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Precision, otherwise. Also consider decentering, that is accuracy. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Second one, rational subgrouping. Whether I can go for consecutive samples or skipped samples. What is the skipped sample? See here. 9 o'clock. I am entering to the shop floor. What was my n? 5. 5. 5. Clear?
Okay.
Instead of getting one x bar here, another x bar here, another x bar here, I am taking x1, x4, x7, x10, x13. Between 9 and 10, I am choosing only 5 samples, one x bar. This is called a skipped sample. Clear?
Okay, sir.
We learned this from Professor Vaishya of Japan. In some process, he allowed us. How? I'm talking about this rule. Initial stage of manufacturing, go for consecutive parts because you don't have much of knowledge about your process. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Highly
Perfect,
careful.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can go for skipped samples also.
Okay.
PP is more than 3, but PPK is not very good. That means precision is good, accuracy is not good.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, okay, sir.
Then what is your deciding factor? That's all.
This will be repeated.
This is answering the second question, whether I can go for consecutive samples or skipped samples. Third one, we all know very well. What should be my M? For all, the CPK, you can consider this as PPK, so it doesn't matter. Long-term study.
Okay.
Ideally 25 or at least 21. Not 20, the considers 21 minimum. Central limit theorem.
Okay.
Sigma calculations, if less than 21 is possible, but use D2 star, not D2. I stop here. If you have any questions, please ask.
Okay.
This is called rational subgrouping. Now, quickly we'll recall our non-random patterns mean special causes. Raja, please here, incidentally, x bar is exceeding or is also exceeding.
Okay.
If x bar is exceeding, what is the meaning, Raja?
Out of the definition control limit.
Decentered. If R is exceeding, what is the meaning? Clear? No consistency.
Okay.
This case, accuracy is not good. In this case, the meaning is precision is not good. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
This is called run. We already discussed. 7 consecutive points in one side. This is called run. Center is permanently shifted somewhere here. That is the meaning. Clear? Some companies follow 8 also. In process industry, they follow 8 as well. Trend, we discussed. That means the 8th point may likely fall here. Take action. It's called tool. It's called trend. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir. Consecutive of
Cyclical. Very rarely is possible because of input. incoming source variation.
Okay.
I'm taking another. It's called hugging the control limit, either UCL or LCL. That means what, sir? Center is permanently shifted, complete decenter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All are called as special cause variations, non-random patterns. I welcome if you have any questions.
Okay, sir.
Super. RANE Madras Pondicherry team, you have done a remarkably good job. Okay. I just want to appreciate. Let us make this video to be utilized by all your team members to society at large. Okay.
Sir,
Once again,
one doubt in control chart.
sorry, Raja.
One doubt having in control chart, sir. So actually, we are measuring actual value and plotting in the control chart.
Agreed.
But if we take the cumulative value, then only we know the upper control limit and lower control limit.
Absolutely.
Then when we can see control limit.
Yeah, yeah. Kindly understand, initial stage, when you are introducing a new process, okay, during PPAP run, especially during PPAP run, okay, you may not
Okay,
have any control limits at all. So I put it this way, PPAP first time.
Okay.
125, God, why it is going away? Just a minute, sorry. So generally 125 consecutive parts. That means n is equal to 5, m is equal to 25. Clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
You will get the data points x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar 3, x bar 2, x bar 3, everything. But no control limits initially.
Okay. Yes.
But at the end, maybe after 3 hours, you can calculate your control limit and then plot. Apply all the 8 rules, whether they are satisfactory or not. Confirm and then proceed further.
Okay, sir.
Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir. Sir, then what is the device period?
Sorry?
What is the device period for ensuring the control limit? Is there any period available? For example, during PPAP run, we are calculating the upper control limit and lower control limit. Over the period like 6 months or 3 months, we need to revisit the same or no need?
Super. Rather, you are very clever. I thought of questioning you. You have made that question to me. Okay, just a minute. I have now carefully created one thing for you, for your team. Raja, are you able to see the screen, new screen? Can you read, Raja? This side. Can you read? We performed.
Yes, we performed a video conference course on statistical process control, wherein 20 plus planners are participating from different parts of the country. Lot of interesting discussions are going on. I am excited. Mr. Venkateshwaran set up on a Trichy quality had shared one of his audit experience. Quite an interesting one.
His audit experience with Tata Motors. Can you read? Yeah, right side.
Customer audit by Tata Motors is happening. Now the audit focuses on SPC. Customer is witnessing good SPC progress in the shop floor. One question from the audit checklist as what is the age of your control limit?
I don't know. You guys should tell now. This is what indirectly you are meaning, correct? No? I'm not going to give the answer. Suspense for time being. Okay. Let you, your team members, entire RANE, okay, from Pantnagar, Mysuru, Pondicherry, Chennai. Okay, we are not. Everyone should think. I don't know. I don't want to give the answer, no, but definitely I'll answer. Situation is clear, Raja?
Yes, sir. We will discuss and come back with wrong answer. Then we will get the
Super. Thank you. So I appreciate Raja and team once again, especially Raja, who has been coordinating so well. Thank you. If you have no questions, I will call this as a day.
No problem, sir. We got
Fantastic.
clear idea.
Fantastic. Super. Spread the knowledge. Knowledge is endless. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.